Today we would be reviewing the SONY SHAKE X10D audio set. The SONY X10D features a sound pressure horn, which is an internal folded horn designed to efficiently increase acoustic pressure by pushing energy through an amplifying duct. The result is far more effective than traditional, energy-wasting amplifiers and signal processing. You can really feel every bass line. The speakers also light up in party mode, which enables you to select any color theme of your choice. Karaoke competitions with your friends are easy. Just hook the SHAKE X10D up to a TV, pop in a karaoke DVD, and sing along to the words on the screen. Enjoy higher quality Bluetooth streaming with LDAC, which is a new audio technology from Sony that allows you to enjoy the highest quality wireless audio via Bluetooth technology. With up to 3 times the data transmitted, LDAC provides an enhanced wireless listening experience for all your music. Hold your own mini concerts with the guitar input. Just plug in and press the guitar key to enjoy powerful sound for your guitar. Play solo style, or connect a microphone to sing along. Easily connect to your TV for deep, powerful sound across all of your movies and music. Thanks to an HDMI port, all you have to do is to hook up via a single cable. Break out your DVDs and watch them on the SHAKE X10D built-in player. Enjoy every explosion, action sequence, and dramatic scene in cinematic surround sound that puts you in the heart of the action. Turn your living room into a theater and host epic movie nights. Near-field communication and Bluetooth technology remove the need for wired connections and complex setup sequences. Simply touch your NFC-enabled device to the SHAKE X10D for a quick, seamless connection, then start streaming your music collection. The X10D supports DJ effects. Different effects set the stage for your party. Flanger creates a deep roaring effect. WAH distorts the audio. Isolator singles out a specific frequency band. PAN sweeps the sound across speakers. You can use DJ effects with the Faceable app and gesture control, so getting creative with your party playlists has been made easier. 2 mic inputs and features such as song reservation, scoring and echo let you team up with friends for the ultimate sing-off. A built-in vocal fader even turns down the voice on CDs, so you can sing all your favorite songs. Download Sony Music Center, previously called SongPal, for your smartphone or tablet and take control of your music collection. Simply connect over Bluetooth technology and you'll have seamless access to all your favorite tracks. The app can also be used to customize sound settings to ensure great, balanced audio. Copy tracks between CD and USB. Simply connect your device to the Play/Rec port and you're ready to transfer. If you're recording directly to USB, it's also possible to upgrade the bitrate from the default 128 kbps to 256 kbps for heightened audio quality. Get the most from your home audio system. 2 audio RCA inputs let you hook up to a TV, games console, or additional SHAKE for added power for whatever you're listening to or watching. Play classic albums or compilation discs with a built-in CD player. This home audio system is compatible with CD, CDR, and CDRW discs, so you can enjoy everything from studio recordings to mixtapes and downloaded tracks. Want to hear your favorite DJs? Simply tune in using the FM radio dial and see what's out there. For price and availability of this product, simply click on the link in the description. Subscribe to this channel to get more reviews on amazing products out there in the market.